in this video, I will explain why there are so few products in the price labelizer compared to the products you have in your Google Merchant Center. I will discuss 3 topics with you. So the first one is understanding the issue and why it happens. What is the price insight report and how does it help you? And how to get more products into the report so that is visible in the spreadsheet as well for the labelizer, of course. So understanding the issue. Google is in control of showing which products are available in the price insights or price competitive report. And if we don't get anything back from the Google Merchant Center API, we will log an output or a warning that none of the products are available or that the report is not enabled. So first of all, enable the report. It's quite easy. You can either go to the Shopping Analytics tab in Google Merchant Center, go to Products, then to Pricing and see if there's anything enabled there. Or you go to Add-ons and you enable the Price Insights tab. If you've done that, then Google is going to gather some data from your products and compare it to the other of your competitors, actually, the products of your competitors. And then it will show, if there's enough competitors, it will show the products from your price, but also your benchmark price or the price from your competitors. Sometimes there's so limited data that Google doesn't give you the products, so that the list is empty, and then we'll also give you the warning. Basically, the Price Insights report is an overview in Google Merchant Center. It shows your price compared to the price on Google, from your brands, your products, your categories, anything. And we pull that data from the products into the spreadsheet. And we add some metrics and other things as well. So that report is very important for us. And we need that report to get the data. However, there are a few ways you can get more products into the report and also to the spreadsheet. Because there's not going to be 100% of your products in Merchant Center also in the spreadsheet for the price labeler. There's always going to be some loss of products. If you want more products into your price insights report or the price labelizer, you need to add cheating codes where possible, because then Google can easily compare your product with your cheating against other products with the same cheating code. Advertise on your products, that's also very important. Google needs to gather some data, some impressions, some clicks to actually give you the insight. And third, Google is in control, unfortunately, and you don't have the opportunity to do very much about it, only the first 2 things. And Google is just gonna show it, or is not gonna show it. So you are a bit limited with the Google Merchant Center data, but it's a quite affordable way of getting your price insights. There are other tools that do this as well, but those are quite expensive, especially for smaller web shops or very large web shops. Then you can basically build your own API around it. That's everything you need to know for the price insights report and also how you can get more products into the price labelizer script. If you have any questions about this, don't hesitate, but place your comment below and I will answer them for you. Thank you very much.